and I'm gonna do a whole part 2 of this video explaining how the E-Pedal works. What is up, Nissan fans? Today I'm in the 2023 Nissan Leaf, and as these electric vehicles get more and more popular, I get a lot of questions about how the battery operates and how efficient it is. And the main subject we're going to talk about today is the Nissan E-Pedal. A lot of people say to me, I hate that E-Pedal, or I don't like it, but really most people aren't educated on it. So if you're curious about buying the Nissan Leaf, or you recently bought a Leaf, I'm going to go over what the E-Pedal is and how it works. So essentially what the E-Pedal is it allows you to drive the car with one single foot. And that's not only really the best thing about it, it also helps you make the vehicle more efficient and the battery more efficient. When you're accelerating and decelerating in an electric car, the decelerating comes as a result of the battery harvesting energy from turning the axles. This is when you're using this E-Pedal. So I'm using it now. And when you accelerate with the E-Pedal, the electric motor will power the wheels and the car starts to move. When you take your foot off the E-Pedal, it almost acts like a brake, and that system kind of turns into reverse. Momentum that you've already gained from accelerating goes back into the motor, which then sends that energy back to the battery. So it's really neat technology, and it does take some getting used to, but you almost kind of have to ease on the E-Pedal. And all this driving that we've done now, I've only been using the E-Pedal. I haven't braked since we started putting the camera on. So if you let your foot off, the car will come to a complete stop, like I'm going to show you here. So right now I'm accelerating with the E-Pedal, and then I'm coming up to a light here and I can ease up on it. And you can see the car will slow down, and you can make it come to a full complete stop just by letting go of the E-Pedal and easing up on the E-Pedal. So the advantage is you have the information right behind your gauges here that's going to show you how much regenerative battery you're using. So here we are, we're coming to a stop. If you're going a little too fast, you might have to step on the brake. But it does take some getting used to, but really you can drive the car with one foot. Hopefully that explains the Nissan E-Pedal. Again, guys, I don't call myself an expert on it. I don't use it every single day, but if you guys are familiar with it, or if you have questions, just post your comment down below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And if you want to see my full unlock of the Nissan Leaf, we're going to link that in the description below, and you guys can check that out. But thanks so much for everybody for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.